As you may have guessed, there is nothing stopping us from using the 3 types of instructions in a single program. In fact, we can use all of them together to solve complex problems such as mazes. Before we jump into our next problem, let's discover a new tool. This tool is a bit different than what we have seen so far. This one doesn't give us a new command to move the robot in a new direction. What it does offer us, however, is a tool to document what our code accomplishes. That's right, sometimes the code we write can get very complicated. Therefore, programmers created a tool called comments. Comments enable us to better understand the functionality of a certain piece of code. A comment always starts with a double slash. Then, you can put any text on the rest of the line. It will not affect your code in any way. You can leave as many comments as you'd like in the code. Comments do not affect a program's execution. If you look in your code editor, you'll notice that the programmer who started the program left a helpful tip. You will also notice that the comment is in a different color than the rest of the text on the screen. It's a good habit to read the comments in the code as they often offer useful hints. Now that we understand this new tool, let's complete the task. In the code editor, get the robot to his goal by using a combination of robot.forward, robot.right, and robot.left. Remember, the order in which you write your instructions is critical to getting the robot to the goal.